When a TV producer shoots a kids show teaching math, investors laugh. Learning with Harold. His wife leaves with his son, taking all that he had, so he shoots Santa Cruz Sun. As his boy grows, neither one knows what has become of the other.
You're watching My Plate.
But the son has developed a superhuman mind, similar to that of Einstein.
The new kid checked out 17 books today.
What? This is the most sophisticated algorithm I've seen in my life.
The chemistry teacher's daughter likes him a lot, but when passing notes, they get caught.
Check it out, the video's gone viral.
While unknown to all, the boy's father, Paul, has created a phenomenal human being. His son Stephen excels at math, but won't tell. He's a kind-hearted, humble superhuman.
He was tested at an IQ of 189.
189?
Einstein had an IQ of 190.
Just got a text from my girlfriend.
What does it say?
She says I love you.